Hi, I'm Dan.
And I'm Xander.
We're from Ronin Product Development Labs, and our goal is to design products that are going to have a positive impact on the planet and on our fellow humans. There's a certain urgency around this right now because a lot of the products that we've designed over the last few decades, which we had thought had been thrown away, are now starting to pop back up again in our oceans and in our streams. I'm afraid that one day I'm going to turn on my faucet and I'm going to see pieces of the products I used to design falling out of the water. And that is why we're doing this right now.
Whether you're interested in learning how to do sustainable product development, or you're just more interested in kind of seeing under the hood and what goes into the products you use every day at home, we're going to have this video series we're starting called Supposedly, where we're looking at some of the myths and realities of product development and what it takes to make a product sustainably.
So we're redefining our product development process, and we're starting by challenging assumptions. For example, the assumption that when I'm done with a product, I can just throw it away, and that's the last I'll see of it. That's not the case, so we need to actually think about things in terms of the full life cycle. And we're also learning from the experts in our network. We have a lot of knowledgeable people around us. We want to incorporate their knowledge into our process so we can develop the best products for this planet.
What that's making us ask each other as we do this work is questions such as, what if every product had its own repair manual? So it actually put the burden on us as engineers to come up with solutions that allowed people at home to completely disassemble and repair their products as needed.
Yeah, or what if when I'm done with a product, I can return it to the manufacturer. They can take it apart and use those parts to make new products over and over again.
In addition to trying to improve the way we do product development for all kinds of products, we're also taking on projects that are really specifically looking at waste and how we can reduce waste, but also how we can turn waste into nutrients.
I mean, if we can look at this whole process of full life cycle and design for repairability and getting those pieces back to the manufacturer to turn into new products, we can start to let go of the concept of the landfill. Maybe the landfill can go away.
At Ronin, we have an entire team dedicated to this effort of figuring out how we're going to do sustainable product development. And our goal really is to apply our experience and skills to work in better harmony with the planet and natural ecosystems.
It takes extra effort to put this thought in to make the more sustainable product, but it's really worth it, and the time is now. And we're learning this whole process as we go. We're building the plane as we fly it, so to speak. And we want to bring you along on this journey because this stuff is just too important not to share. If the whole world could design more sustainable products, the world would be a much better place. And that's the spirit of this video series.
So please join us, leave a comment if you see something that excites you, and stay tuned for future episodes. Bye for now.
See you next time.